Bull is the fastest growing backloader in the world and selling 52 plus countries. How this has become possible? The world's best backloader SUPERSMART saves 1 liter diesel per hour over JCB, which makes almost your EMI is free. Bull 20% productivity is more, means what Bull will do in 4 days where the JCB will take 5 days. You don't have to believe me. You can compare with your JCB. If the Bull is defeated, we will pay you 50,000 rupees to book your choice of new machine. When can I bring the machine to show the demo challenge at your site? And also, what made this possible? This SUPERSMART is fitted with the Kirloskar engine. This is the world famous Kirloskar engine and having Carraro gearbox and axle for the long life maintenance-free operations to the customers. This Kirloskar engine in Bs4 is equipped with API technology to save more fuel when compared to any other brands of the machine. And also, this is the product. We have designed the luxury cabin for the long run fatigue-free operations of the operators. Now, having said, this is the kingpost carriage made of heavy-duty steel, wherein in other products they are using the casting. And also, this is the one of the unique feature of the Bull SUPERSMART. This bucket opening is 201 degree, which has the square cut applications which JCB cannot do. Like the application is best suitable for trenching, pillar foundations, pipe laying and water tank, septic tank, the multiple applications where you get the accurate digging finishing, where in other brands you have to do with the manual labor for the finishing. So this is the unique feature. And moving forward, see, this product is equipped with ergonomics operating levers, where according to the operators the levers can be adjusted, and the visibility is highly designed to see the square cut applications to ensure the safety of the operators and safety of the machine. This machine is having the heavy duty loader arm, which is fitted with the 1.26 cubic meter bucket, wherein in all other brands they are having 1.1 cubic meter bucket. And also, this machine is designed to meet the needs of the multiple applications in various industries, as like construction industry, wherein the Bull concrete mixture bucket in the front can be used, which has capacity of 0.6 cubic meter, wherein 3 bags of cements can be mixed and delivered in the first floor of the building. So that is for design for the same machine can be used in construction industry. Second is the crusher king. Crusher king means the lift height is up to 13 feet with 1.4 cubic meter bucket. So up to 250 kmph crusher capacities plants, we can use this machine very easily, which more productive with more diesel saving. And also the lift height is 9.71 feet, which no other machines are having. And also this is best suitable for the paper industry with HVG buckets, and coir industries for HV buckets, and cotton industry to lift up to 16-17 feet frame buckets, and coal industry, mines industry, and bricklaying industry, and batching plants. We do have more than 42 types of bucket applications. This is ensure this is the one of the world's best innovative versatile machine. And also this machine is having the unique feature of the front Carraro glass, where operator can sit and see the top of the bucket very easily. Having said, this is the one of the unique feature of SUPERSMART AKG German radiator, which has SBS technology. Means this is the engine cooling, this is the hydraulic cooling, this is the gear oil cooling. This effective cooling ensures the long run operation without losing the performance. So hence the Bull SUPERSMART is called performance leader for the continuous operations, for the heavy duty applications. And also we have given, this is the 150 Ah battery, wherein other machines will operate with 130 Ah battery with auto cutoff switch. Gives the more light and more night visibility during the operation. Now we are showing, this is the front axle support, which is the uniqueness to ensure the more stability of the vehicle, and this is the sealed front wheel hub, wherein there is no water or dust or any entries, so the long life maintenance free operations of the front axle. And also this is one of the unique feature wherein no machines other brands are having, where you apply the grease here, all the existing black color grease will come out from the center, and once the green grease, the fresh grease will come up, you can stop. This is called self lubricating hub technology equipped in the SUPERSMART. And the front axle mounting pin, which does not have the grease nipple. So this is a maintenance free pin which has a long life. All the pins and bushers used in the SUPERSMART will give the double life. So that is maintenance free to the owners, and this is the one of the best feature to all the operators, which is adjustable steering. The operators can adjust the steering according to their comfort while operating the machine. This gives long run category operations to the operators. And easy rotating chairs with more comfort. This is the more ergonomic levers for the backhoe and stabilizer levers to access for the easy operations. So this lever operations gives more comfort to the operators, easy to operate. And this is the 3 modes we have given in SUPERSMART. One is the Super Eco, second is the Power Eco, third position is the Bull Power Plus Plus. So this is the one of the unique feature wherein the productivity of machine is 20% more compared to any other brands. And this hydraulic system is highly equipped with ECU control. So the hydraulic flow management and the engine power management is highly synchronized to save the enormous fuel when compared to any other brands of the machine. Now this is a handbrake and bucket levers and gearbox levers and headlights, forward reverse lever and easy adjustments, and more comforts to the operators. This luxury cabin is having the more rigid and durable doors and locks for the long life operations, and this cabin is equipped with the ropes and FOPS, means rollover protection and fallover protection. When the machine is working in the downslope or in the valley below 10 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet ground level, if some stone falls, nothing will happen to the operators. This is one of the unique feature which no other machine is having. Having said that, Bull Machines is having the service helpline number 8832 for the easy access of the customers to ensure the periodic service on time, and machine will be on road. And also, by seeing the growth, all the financiers are welcoming us to fund our products with their great services and support to make you successful. Now, the Bull Machines is moving towards number 2 position in India by beating many multinationals in sales. So, born in India, it's a brand of India, it's a pride of India, and Bull SuperSmart is mileage master. Don't worry about the resale because the amount of fuel